At Agile Construction, 2025 is all about redefining excellence in home improvement. From bathroom renovations to full house flips, we're here to transform your vision into reality. Agile Construction is your one-stop solution for all home improvement needs. Our expert services include kitchen and bathroom remodeling, finished carpentry and custom woodwork, basement and attic conversions, full house flips and renovations, property management services for residential and multi-building properties in Connecticut. No project is too big or small. We ensure every detail is perfect.
Raphael and his crew were very professional. He kept me up to date with all work done and communicated well through the entire project. The work was outstanding and will hire again for my next project.
At Agile Construction, we believe a home should be more than just a space. It should tell your story. Start your 2025 journey with a trusted general contractor. Contact us through our official channels or call us today at +1 2032 856 541 to bring your dream home to life.